Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we delve into the fascinating topic of manifesting love through the law of attraction, guiding you on how to attract your specific person into your life. Our purpose is to equip you with the knowledge and tools necessary to harness the power of your thoughts and emotions to create the romantic relationship you desire. You can expect to learn practical techniques and insights that will help you align your energy and vibration with the love you seek. Understanding the significance of energy and vibration is crucial in relationships, as they play a pivotal role in how we connect with others. By raising your vibrational frequency and maintaining a positive mindset, you can attract the love that resonates with your true self. Additionally, we are excited to announce a special live program designed to deepen your understanding of manifesting love. This program will provide you with personalized guidance and support, making it easier for you to implement the principles discussed in this video. Join us as we explore the transformative journey of attracting love and discover how you can manifest the relationship of your dreams by aligning your energy with the love you truly deserve. Emotions play a significant role in shaping our relationships, and often a specific person may find themselves praying or even crying out in their desire to feel closer to you. This deep yearning reflects the emotional connection that exists between you, highlighting the profound impact that feelings can have on your bond. When someone expresses their vulnerability through prayer or tears, it signifies a longing for intimacy and understanding, which can strengthen the ties that bind you together. It's essential to recognize that these emotions are not just fleeting moments. They can influence the dynamics of your relationship in powerful ways. As you reflect on this, consider your own feelings and how they shape your reality. Are you aware of the emotions you project? Do they align with the love and connection you wish to cultivate? By acknowledging your feelings and their effects, you can create a more harmonious relationship. Embrace the power of your emotions, as they can serve as a guiding force in attracting the love you desire. Remember, the energy you emit can resonate with others, fostering deeper connections and enhancing the overall quality of your relationships. Your emotional landscape is a vital part of manifesting the love you seek. The concept of vibration and energy is fundamental in understanding relationships, as everything in the universe, including our interactions, is composed of vibrations and energy. Renowned figures like Einstein and Bob Proctor have emphasized that at a molecular level, everything is in constant motion, vibrating at different frequencies. This means that our beliefs and feelings significantly shape the reality we experience. When we hold positive beliefs and cultivate uplifting emotions, we elevate our vibrational frequency, which can attract similar energies from others. It's essential to recognize that our internal state directly influences how we perceive and engage with the world around us. Instead of solely focusing on our own feelings, we can shift our attention to creating desired feelings in others. By consciously projecting love, positivity, and understanding, we can inspire those around us to resonate at a higher frequency, fostering deeper connections and more fulfilling relationships. This shift not only enhances our interactions, but also contributes to a more harmonious environment. As you explore this concept, consider how your energy impacts those you care about, and how you can intentionally cultivate feelings that uplift both yourself and others, ultimately transforming your relationships into more vibrant and loving experiences. Soulmate synergy is a profound concept that refers to the shared vibration between two individuals, creating a unique and harmonious connection that transcends ordinary relationships. This synergy occurs when both partners resonate at similar frequencies, allowing them to understand and support each other on a deeper level. To truly harness this energy, it's essential to visualize your specific person missing you and yearning to reconnect. Imagine the emotions they might be experiencing, the longing in their heart, and a desire to bridge the gap between you. This visualization not only strengthens your bond, but also aligns your energies, making it easier to attract them back into your life. Furthermore, belief plays a crucial role in establishing a strong soulmate relationship. When you genuinely believe in the possibility of a deep connection with your soulmate, you open yourself up to receiving that love. Your thoughts and beliefs shape your reality, so fostering a mindset of love and connection can significantly enhance your relationship. Embrace the idea that you and your soulmate are meant to be together, and allow that belief to guide your actions and intentions. By nurturing this synergy, you can create a powerful and lasting bond that enriches both your lives. The feeling of soulmate sensation is an extraordinary experience characterized by an intense and profound connection that transcends the ordinary. During these moments, individuals often feel an overwhelming sense of familiarity, understanding, as if they have known each other for lifetimes. This deep connection can manifest in various ways, such as shared thoughts, emotions, or even synchronicities that seem to align perfectly. It's essential for viewers to focus on the energy they project towards their specific person during these soulmate sensation moments. The energy you emit can significantly influence the dynamics of your relationship, creating an atmosphere of love, trust, and mutual respect. By consciously cultivating positive energy and intentions, you can enhance the bond you share with your soulmate. This sensation not only deepens your connection but also paves the way for a powerful and fulfilling relationship. When both partners are attuned to this energy, they can navigate challenges with grace and understanding, fostering a supportive environment for growth. Embracing the soulmate sensation allows you to experience love in its purest form, leading to a relationship that is not only passionate but also deeply enriching. By nurturing this connection, you can create a lasting partnership that resonates with both your hearts. Affirmations play a vital role in attracting a specific person into your life by harnessing the power of positive thinking and intention. When you consistently practice affirmations, you release vibrational spiritual pheromones that resonate with the energy of love and connection, effectively drawing people together. Just as biological pheromones are natural chemicals that influence attraction and behavior among partners, your affirmations can create a similar energetic effect. By affirming your desires and intentions, you align your vibrational frequency with the qualities you seek in a relationship, making it easier for your specific person to feel your presence and connection. Encouraging viewers to practice affirmations daily can significantly enhance their bond with their desired partner. By repeating positive statements about love, connection, and the qualities you appreciate in your specific person, you reinforce your intentions and cultivate an inviting energy. This practice not only boosts your self-confidence, but also sends out a clear message to the universe about what you want. Just as pheromones can attract partners on a biological level, your affirmations can create a magnetic pull that fosters deeper connections. Embrace the power of affirmations to manifest the love you desire and watch as your relationships transform in beautiful ways. To enhance your connection with your specific person, let's begin by guiding you through a meditation that fosters this bond. First, find a comfortable and safe space where you can relax without distractions. This could be a quiet room, a cozy corner, or even outdoors in nature. Once you're settled, close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, allowing your body to relax with each exhale. Now, visualize your specific person in your mind's eye. Picture them smiling and feeling drawn to you as if an invisible thread connects your hearts. Imagine the warmth of their presence and the joy that radiates from this connection. As you hold this image, focus on the feelings of love, attraction, and harmony that arise within you. It's essential to truly feel and believe in this connection during your meditation. Allow these emotions to wash over you, amplifying the bond you share. As you continue to breathe deeply, affirm to yourself that this connection is real and powerful. Embrace the sensation of being together, knowing that your energies are aligning. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment, carrying this enhanced connection with you throughout your day. In this video, we explored the essential elements of manifesting love, emphasizing the importance of energy, vibration, and affirmations in attracting the relationships we desire. We discussed how everything in the universe operates on vibrational frequencies, and by aligning our energy with the love we seek, we can create deeper connections with our specific person. Affirmations were highlighted as powerful tools that can release spiritual pheromones, drawing people together and enhancing our emotional bonds. We encourage viewers to take action by practicing the techniques shared, such as visualization, meditation, and daily affirmations to strengthen their connection with their desired partner. By actively engaging in these practices, you can shift your energy and beliefs, making it easier to manifest the love you truly want. As we wrap up, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on manifesting love in relationships. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with others who may benefit from these teachings. Together, we can create a community focused on love, connection, and personal growth. Thank you for joining us, and remember that the love you seek is within your reach.